Alright, today I'm gonna unbox this Top Fit screen protector and install this on my brand new Model Y and tell you everything about it. And I bought this on Amazon for about $25 and I'm not sure if this is a good product, but let's find out. Alright, let's take a look at this Top Fit touchscreen protector. Okay, the package looks pretty nice. By the way, I got this on Amazon around $25-ish. And if you're interested, you can use the link in the description of this video. It says this is for Model S, X3, and Y. Okay. Made in China, of course. And yeah, I have a check mark here. So this one is for 3 and Y. So let's open this guy up. Oh, before we do that, there's another mark shows we do have a matte version, not an HD clear one. I think the matte version gonna reduce the glare to help you see the screen under sunlight. So let's open this guy up. Ooh, this is my first time opening this up. Okay. So it comes with, what is this? Installation auxiliary tools. Okay. I guess the squeegees and the screen cleaners inside of this bag. Alright, then there's some instructions. Of course, all in Chinese. Good. We have English instructions on the other side. Okay, tempered glass screen protector. Make sure AC is switched off. No dust inside of the screen. Okay, make sure you turn off all the AC and fans in the car. Use provided alcohol wipes to clean the screen. Use the dust remover sticker. Touch up each part of the screen. Make sure no dust. Alright, second step. Attach the installation frame. What is a frame? Oh, it comes with the installation frame. I assume this guy gonna go over this. Yeah, okay. Wait, how to do this? So this is the right size. This is exactly the same size as the screen, so go on top of the screen. Okay. So this is called installation frame. Please make sure the orientation, you will find directions we made on it. Verify the screen protector orientation. I guess there's orientation. Edge top side and curved edge bottom side. Huh. So there's a curved bottom. I never noticed that. Yeah. Okay. So I'm not sure if you ever pay attention to the screen. There is a curved side on the bottom of this touch screen, but on the top side it's flat. Interesting. That's a small detail I haven't noticed before. So this installation frame, it has orientation. On the bottom you can see this is a more curved side, so this side should go to the bottom. This side, the flat side, should go to the top. So this is the right way to put this on there. Okay. And hold the screen protector to the screen, take off the part, release label from the top. Okay, let's look at how the screen protector look like. All right, there's some protection foam. All right, now here's our screen protector. Wow. Okay, make sure all look good, no cracks. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's not good. Holy moly. this is a cracked screen protector. Swear to God, this is the first time I opened the box, and we have a broken screen protector. Damn. As you can see, there's the crack start from here. Ooh, sucks. And go through all the way to the other side. Okay. Huh. But the box is nice. They have all the protections, and maybe it's broken during the transportation, or maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's put this back in there. So I bought this on Amazon a couple days ago. Hopefully we can return this and get a refund. That's a bummer. I was planning to show you guys the installation video of this screen protector. Well, let's just go through a review. Look at the build quality and the materials of this screen protector. So it is a really brittle, right? We haven't put this on there. It's already cracked. Okay, let's see anything else in the box. That's it. All right. Okay. Let's continue to look at the instruction manual. So this thing is pretty nice. It comes with this installation frame, so your screen protector can goes into this frame, and so it's in the right position. So you don't have to position the screen protector. This frame gonna help you do that. So that's pretty nice. Once the release label is removed, okay. All right, so we can't do that. But there's one thing I want to point it out is before you clean the screen and put the screen protector on there, I think there's a function on the touch screen that allow you to clean the screen without accidentally open or switch on and off something. I believe it is under display. Yep, there's a screen clean mode. I've never tried that. Let's try that to see what will happen if we click this. So now it's a screen cleaning mode, cleaning the touch screen with a soft close design, blah 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 blah. Okay, so you hold the screen to exit, but now you can just clean your screen and put protection on there. Once you're done, you hold for 3 seconds. Boom. All right. Okay, so I got returned this guy to Amazon, and once I got a new one or replacement, now I can show you a video how to put this guy on there. But overall, looks pretty nice. The package is pretty nice. Instruction looks pretty easy enough, and it comes with this guy. So I think it could be a good product, except we got a broken screen protector. Right, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like and subscribe my channel. All right, see you. Stay awesome. Okay, I guess that's just life, right? Things will never go as you planned, and yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna do another video once I get a new screen protector. But meanwhile, I just ordered the pre-cut PPF for my Model Y. So in next week also, I'm gonna do a DIY PPF application on my brand new Model Y Performance. So stay tuned for that video. All right, see you.